Hi, welcome to Vacationer Caravans with Insider Info. G'day guys, Matt from Vacationer. This little segment here is Insider Info. This is our first episode. So today we're going to go through some tips and tricks on how to use your van. First one we're going to do is on our Vitrifrigo 230 litre compressor fridge. Come with me and I'll show you some ideas. First up here, we have a black switch. Now this black switch just up here, what that is your thermo fan behind your fridge. So hotter temperatures, this fan should be on, so anything over 32 degrees your fan will come on automatically. It's a thermo fan. I'd run it on all the time. It just helps circulate the air behind your fridge. Because these fridges are internally vented, so down the bottom we have an identical vent like just up here. So what that does is help circulate the air in behind the fridge, and this helps regulate the temperatures in behind, and also helps your fridge run more efficiently. So on the inside of the fridge here, as we come around, so just over here we've got a white tray. Now hotter temperatures, this is a good little trick that I use myself. So taking this tray out on a really hot day will help the fridge remain cooler. So underneath is where your freezer compartment is, and this gives direct access to the fridge as well. So this will help keep the air cooler on the inside and maintain the temperature, which will benefit the stuff on the inside of the fridge. So fridge, freezer, stay colder. Over here on the inside we've got the black thermostat, so which is just up in the right hand corner. We come in and you've got min and your maximum settings. So obviously the minimum settings, that's the less time your compressor will kick in and out, and the maximum is your compressor will kick in and out a lot more. What that does is keep your fridge a lot colder. This one here, when during the night pop it back in, it'll be fine during the night, but during the day if you're getting temperatures, you know, up over 35s up to 45s, it's a good idea just to pop that out and leave it out for the day. At night time just pop it back in, and that'll keep your fridge a lot cooler. Also, you know, the amount of times that you open and close your fridge during the day, if it's for, you know, above the 35, try and keep this, limit the times you're opening and closing it. Obviously that'll keep your fridge cold for the day. Other key points with keeping your fridge at a good temperature during the day is also your cabin temperature of your van. So obviously this van here, it's got the Dakar Enerdrive battery management system, so you can actually run your aircon off your battery. But if you don't have that sort of system or capabilities in your van, good idea is open the windows up and get the air circulation going through your van to keep the temperatures on the inside of your van down as well. That'll also help with your fridge keeping it a consistent temperature during the day. So guys, this is our first episode of the Insider Info. If you like what you're seeing, you got questions yourself, send them through. Like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Send them through so we can get through them and answer what you've got to say.